Getting legal protection from abuse. Video 2, how to file for a civil protection order. You have the right to protect yourself from abuse. This is the second part in the video series, Getting Legal Protection from Abuse, and will explain how you can file for a civil protection order, or CPO. It will also explain the ex parte process, which will allow you to get an emergency order right away before your abuser has a chance to be present. The first step in filing a CPO is to go to the domestic relations court in the county where you live or have fled to. It's always a good idea to call first to see if there is a certain time to go or if there's anything else you need to know. The court will give you a petition form to fill out, or you can download the form at www.supremecourt.ohio.gov. The form is available in multiple languages. When filling out the form, you are the petitioner in the case. The abusive person you want to get the order against is the respondent. The form will ask you to describe what the respondent did that makes you want a CPO. Start by describing the most recent incident of violence. You don't have to describe every single detail, but be sure to include the worst things that happened. For example, he slapped me in the face, or the respondent said he was going to kill me. Also include past incidents that may have led to the recent events. In addition to acts of physical violence, you should include examples of verbal abuse, like calling you names, emotional abuse, not allowing you to have contact with friends or family, or stalking behavior like repeated unwanted contact or following you. The form will also ask you what type of orders you are asking for from the court. It's often best to ask for every kind of order you might possibly want. For instance, if you have children together with a respondent and you think the respondent is dangerous for the children, you can ask for them to be protected parties. If you think you might want temporary child support or temporary spousal support, be sure to check the boxes on the CPO petition asking for those things. The court might not give you everything you ask for in your petition, but the court usually cannot give you something that you did not ask for. When you submit the petition to the court will hold an emergency hearing the same day to determine whether to give you an immediate short-term protection order called an ex parte order. The abuser does not attend this hearing. During the hearing, you will meet with a judge or magistrate. A magistrate is another member of the court. They will review your petition and ask you questions about the abuse. Make sure to tell the judge or magistrate if you have been threatened with a firearm. Also, tell them if you are seeking any special orders other than keeping the abusive person away from you. This might include things like exclusive possession of a vehicle, or if you are asking that the children be protected parties. If the judge or magistrate believes you are in immediate and present danger, they will issue an emergency ex parte CPO at the end of this hearing. This can be a dangerous time for you and your family. As mentioned in video 1, take steps to have a safety plan in place. If you are issued an ex parte order, you will be given a copy to carry with you at all times until your case is concluded. Your ex parte CPO will include a date and time when you have to come back to court after the respondent has been served with a copy of your petition and ex parte CPO. The next court date should be about a week later. While it's always best to consult a lawyer, especially if you have children or shared finances with the abuser, this video series, Getting Legal Protection from Abuse, will take you step by step through the process of getting a civil protection order, including how to request help and special accommodations, what to ask for to keep you safe, how to prepare for court, how to present your case, and how to enforce your protection order. Everyone has the right to live free from domestic violence. For more information on protecting yourself and your family, contact your local domestic violence agency. To find your local agency, contact Ohio Domestic Violence Network at www.odvn.org/find-help. You can also contact your local legal aid. To find the legal aid for your county, contact www.ohiolegalhelp.org/find-your-legal-aid. Or if you are in Northwest or West Central Ohio, contact Legal Aid of Western Ohio at 888-534-1432.